Hi, I have just created this video for those friends who just installed the Davinci Resolve but it's not turning on. Whenever you click on it, it just show you the picture but nothing actually turn on. Yeah, this picture, it will not turn on. This is because of NVIDIA graphic card in your system. So in order to resolve this problem, go to display setting. In display setting, go down to graphic setting and browse, go to C drive, program files, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve and go down to Resolve. When you add it, it will show you two buttons. Go to option and choose the power saving in order to run your internal graphic card of system rather than NVIDIA. Save it, close it. Now this time when you turn on, it is running now. It will load and take a while and it's running now.